Best pickleball paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video, we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk SLK Halo Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a premium paddle designed in the USA, offering players versatility, power, and control through advanced material technology. Built with high-performance T700 raw carbon fiber, 18K ultraweave control, or Kevlar linkweave thermoform pro options, it caters to different playstyles, whether focused on spin, precision, or durability. The elongated XL shape enhances reach and leverage, making it an excellent choice for aggressive players who want to dominate at the net and baseline. Constructed with carbon fiber throughout the frame and shaft, the paddle offers both lightweight handling and long-lasting durability. Weighing just 8 ounces, it provides quick maneuverability without sacrificing stability. The polymer core balances power with soft touch, giving players consistent responsiveness during rallies. With a 4.25-inch grip size, it fits comfortably in hand, ensuring better control and less strain during extended play. This paddle is suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to competitive athletes, and is specifically tailored for adults. The use of raw carbon fiber allows for enhanced spin potential, while the thermoform design with Kevlar elements increases strength and performance under intense gameplay. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Halo series offers a blend of innovation and craftsmanship, giving pickleball players a reliable, high-performance paddle that adapts to different needs, whether prioritizing power, precision, or balanced play. Its cutting-edge design makes it a top-tier option for anyone looking to elevate their pickleball experience. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The MTEN Pickleball Paddles set is a well-rounded choice for players of all levels, offering durability, comfort, and performance in a USAPA-approved design. Featuring a fiberglass surface, these paddles provide excellent control and responsiveness, allowing players to execute both power shots and soft dinks with consistency. The polypropylene honeycomb core enhances shock absorption and reduces vibration, ensuring smoother ball contact and better comfort during extended play. Weighing just 7.8 ounces, the paddles are lightweight and easy to handle, making them suitable for quick reactions at the net and long rallies. The 4.57-inch grip size is designed to fit comfortably in the hands of most players, offering a non-slip hold that improves stability and reduces fatigue. The set is crafted with a fiberglass shaft and frame materials, combining strength with flexibility for balanced performance on the court. This pickleball set is designed for men, women, and even younger players, making it a versatile option for families or groups. Since it's USAPA approved, it can be used in both recreational play and official tournaments. The paddles are built to be user-friendly, ensuring beginners can learn comfortably while still meeting the needs of more advanced players who seek precision and control. Overall, the MTEN Pickleball Paddles set delivers a complete, performance-ready solution for anyone looking to enjoy pickleball. With its lightweight design, durable fiberglass surface, and comfortable grip, it stands out as a reliable choice for players who want quality paddles suitable for casual games or competitive matches. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a complete set designed for players seeking quality equipment to elevate their game. This bundle includes 2 graphite paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it an excellent choice for both practice and competitive play. Designed in the USA, the paddles feature a G4 graphite face paired with polymer RevCore technology, delivering a balance of power, control, and consistency. This combination ensures excellent responsiveness and allows players to execute precise shots while maintaining reliable durability. With a 4.25-inch grip size, The paddles provide a comfortable and secure hold, helping players maintain better control during extended rallies. The paddles are constructed entirely from graphite, including the frame and shaft, which makes them both lightweight and strong. At just 1.79 pounds for the entire set, the paddles are easy to maneuver, giving players the ability to react quickly at the net while still producing strong baseline shots. The polymer rev core enhances the playing experience by absorbing impact and reducing vibrations, which not only improves ball control but also provides a softer feel. This makes the bundle especially appealing to intermediate players who are refining their skills and want a balance between power and finesse. The inclusion of 3 balls and a carrying bag makes this a practical and ready-to-play package. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Latitude bundle delivers premium craftsmanship, innovative paddle technology, and all the essentials in one set, making it a reliable choice for adults who want to enjoy pickleball with convenience and performance in mind. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Z5 Graphite Pickleball Paddle is one of the most popular and versatile paddles in the sport, trusted by players of all skill levels for its exceptional balance of power and control. Built with a graphite face and a Nomex honeycomb core, the Z5 delivers a responsive touch, allowing players to generate quick ball speeds while maintaining excellent shot accuracy. Its carbon fiber frame adds durability and strength, ensuring long-lasting performance even under intense gameplay. With a 4¼ inch grip size, the paddle offers a comfortable and secure hold, making it suitable for a wide range of hand sizes. The lightweight construction, at just 0.23 kilograms, approximately 8.1 ounces, provides quick maneuverability, making it easier for players to react at the net and sustain long rallies without added strain. The graphite shaft further enhances its lightweight feel while maintaining rigidity for consistent play. The Z5's classic widebody shape gives players a larger sweet spot, increasing forgiveness on off-center hits. This makes it a great option for beginners who need more consistency, as well as advanced players who demand precision and performance. Its design emphasizes both control for soft dinks and power for aggressive smashes, making it a well-rounded paddle for all playing styles. Designed for adults and suitable for tournament play, the Onix Z5 remains a staple choice in pickleball equipment. Overall, it combines professional-grade materials with player-friendly features, making it one of the most reliable and performance-driven paddles available. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Pickleball paddle is a beginner-friendly yet high-quality paddle designed to deliver durability, comfort, and reliable performance for players of all levels. Built with a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle provides excellent ball control and a responsive feel, helping players execute a variety of shots with confidence. The honeycomb polypropylene core enhances durability while also absorbing vibrations, making gameplay smoother and more comfortable, especially for newcomers learning the sport. Weighing just 232 grams, about 8.2 ounces, the paddle is lightweight, which allows for quick maneuverability and less fatigue during long matches. The 4¾ inch grip size is slightly larger than standard, providing a stable and comfortable hold for adults who prefer a fuller grip. The handle is cushioned to reduce hand strain, making it easier to maintain control throughout rallies. Constructed with a carbon fiber shaft and a polypropylene frame, the paddle strikes a balance between strength and lightweight performance. The wide-hitting surface offers a generous sweet spot, which is forgiving on off-center hits, giving beginners more confidence while also supporting consistent play for experienced athletes. Since it is USAP approved, the paddle meets the standards required for tournament play, making it a versatile option for both recreational and competitive use. Its availability in multiple colors also adds a personal touch for players who value style alongside performance. Overall, the Joola Pickleball paddle is a durable, lightweight, and user-friendly choice that blends quality materials with thoughtful design. It's an excellent paddle for adults who want a dependable option for improving their game while enjoying long-lasting comfort on the court.